like a Hellcat.
Hi lovely people, welcome back again to Queen Sobi TV. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're highly welcome, and if you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Turn on the bell icon so you'll always be notified in all of our videos. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you all so much and God bless you all. And today we're back again with another topic, but in case you are new to this channel, we mostly talk about marriage and relationship issues. If you think there is anything you want me to talk about, let me know on the comment section, or if you think it is private, leave me a message on WhatsApp. I'll definitely get back to you. That is what this channel is all about. So let's dive into today's topic. Have you ever seen that and ask yourself, why is it that so many men in Europe, when they are into a relationship, when they are ready to get married, or they see, yes, it is time for me to get married, they will look for excuses, they will look for way to break up with that lady they are dating, and they will end up going to their country to get married, or they will end up going to their village to get married. Have you ever seen that and ask yourself why? It's not because there are no beautiful ladies here in Europe. Of course there are a lot of beautiful ladies here in Europe, but their attitude, the attitude of so many ladies, have destroyed the image of almost all the ladies in Europe. Nobody should ask me why, because I think if it is you, maybe you have a brother, to the things you see here in Europe, I don't really think you will feel so comfortable letting your brother get married to a girl here, except you know that girl very well, you know how responsible she is, before you will let your brother, like, okay, if you say you want to get married to this person, there's no problem, get married to her. Because how can you, as a man, as a woman, you have a child for a man, being that man married to you or not? As long as you both live together, you don't have no right to go and sleep with another man outside. And when you are caught, you claim, oh, you are not married to me. You claim that, oh, you don't even know my family. You claim, oh, you are not ready to get married to me. If you know he's not ready to get married to you, what are you still waiting for then? Or if you know you are not satisfied living with him without him getting married to you, what are you still doing there? Don't you think it is time for you to, like, okay, I want to go, you take your bag and move on? No, you won't do that. So many ladies here in Europe, they won't do that. They prefer staying with that man and be moving around from one man's house to another. And tomorrow that man, like, okay, no, I don't want you anymore, I'm going back to my country to get married, or going back to my village to get married. They will start like, oh, men in Europe are bad. No, not because they are bad, because so many women here in Europe, they are the cause. Yes, they are the reason why so many men do always feel like there is no wife material in Europe. Those are the reason why you see so many men do always think, women in Europe are not qualified for marriage. No, there are still some qualified ladies out there, just that it is difficult for them to find them. And they are there, but they are very few. How can a man be living in a house with a woman, when he goes out, he goes to work, he will bring another man to the house, and he expects such a man to get married to a woman in Europe after experiencing such things? They will not do it. They will not do it. There is a video I came across. I don't want to post that video here. There is a video I came across where the woman said her husband friend slept with her twice. Twice. One in the club. She went to club with her husband. Ask me, is that not stupidness? Or is that not foolishness? For you to go out with your husband and his friends, and you stoop so low to go to anywhere he did it, and allow him to have you. I don't understand. If it is you, or if it is your brother, will you allow your brother to get married to a girl here in Europe? Will you allow it? Because if it is me, I don't think I will allow it. Because so many things I usually see, and it's not supposed to be so. But what can one do? We can't do anything. Because here in Europe, even a child of 10 years, they can live their life the way they want to live it. Because their mother is not here, their father is not here. Nobody is here to control them. Nobody is here to tell them, this is what you have to do and this is what you don't have to do. But because of the situation they find themselves, and those crazy people who don't know the feelings of children go to Africa and start bringing underage here in Europe. And when they get here they start to misbehave. They start to do anything they like because they feel there is nobody here to talk to them. So tell me, what do you expect? What do you expect? They will do anything they like, nobody to talk to them. Even the most painful part of it, even adult women that are supposed to show good example to the younger ones, they'll be the ones doing those stupid things. They'll be the one that are married and they will still be going outside to sleep with another man. Tell me, are you forced to get married? You are not forced to get married. Nobody forced you to get married. You feel it is good for you and you feel the man is okay for you. And you feel you are in love with the man before you allow yourself to be with him. So tell me, why on earth will you leave him, or will you leave him in the bed? Because she said the other one, she and her husband was in the bed. The guy came into the house and touched her. That is how she followed the guy to the passage. That is where he slept with this woman for the second time. And tomorrow they will complain, oh, our men does not get married to us. They like going back to Africa to get married. Who will do that? Who does that? Who does that? So many ladies are the cause of the problem. They are the cause why most men here in Europe always feel there is no wife material here in Europe. They are the one that always feels there is no woman that is qualified for marriage in Europe. I'm not trying to say people are not getting married in Europe. People are getting married, but majority of men prefer going back to home. They prefer going back to their country. They prefer going back to their village to find a wife, or they say to their family, I need a wife, please help me to look for a wife. Not because the ones that is home are perfect. Yes, but the ones here in Europe, their attitude is so annoying. It is so annoying, and when you find yourself in difficult things like this, or when they grab you that you are sleeping with another man, you start looking for excuses to give. They start saying the man used a medicine on me, he used jazz on me, he used that on you. Nobody used anything on you. Because I feel your heart is willing to do it before your body accepts it. Because in this life, anything you want to do, when your heart is not willing to do it, believe me, your body will not be willing to do it. So you should stop blaming the men. Most people should stop blaming the men. I understand there are still some men who are boys, they are not grown up. But there are still men that are men here in Europe, and they are willing to settle down. But it is difficult. They are scared to settle down with a woman here in Europe because of the things they see with their eyes, because of the things they hear with their ears. Yes, they have to be careful, because no man wants to experience that pain. No man wants to experience that agony of getting married to a wife, to a woman. At the end of the day, your best friend or another man out there will be the one doing her. No man wants that. Because I can understand how painful it is. I can feel the pains in the heart of that man. I don't want to post that video here, but it is so annoying. We have to be careful. Please, ladies, please. We have to be careful. If you are not ready to get married, don't get married. If you know you are with a man, or you are dating someone, he cannot satisfy you, don't just bother telling him, yes, I will marry you, because he feels like it is difficult to get a husband. No. If he cannot satisfy you and you know that, yes, you cannot take it, it is better you go. Simple as that. Nobody is forcing you. Don't go and get married to the man. At the end of the day, you go outside to be taking it from there, and when you are caught, it is a disgrace to most women, because they will always classify most of the ladies together and say they are all like this. This is what I came to share with you guys. I'll be coming back for another video. If you like my videos, do not forget to subscribe, share, comment. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on my next video. For now, I'm out. Bye bye.